my channel. My name is Martha and I'm so excited to have you here. If you are here for the first time, make sure to subscribe and like this video at the end. Today we are doing a very highly requested video, which is my closet tour, and I'm so excited to share it. So if you're interested in getting to know what's over here, then keep on watching. Okay, so before we actually get started, I just want to make a quick disclaimer that I know I have an excessive amount of clothes. Maybe to some of you guys it's a lot and to others it's a little bit, but whatever. I just want to say that I have collected all of this clothes over like 10 years. I've been the same size for the longest time, and a lot of the pieces that I actually do have I've had since I was like a freshman in high school. So I have a lot of clothes, but the reason is because it just fits and I've kept it. So most of my items are actually either from Banana Republic, Target, TJ Maxx, and H&M. Those are my favorite shops and they fit me the best. So let's actually get started. The first thing that you'll notice is that my closet doors are always open. I never ever have them closed. I just like it to be nice and open. On this side, I have some like jackets and coats and whatever this is called, the duster jacket or whatever. And then on the other side, I have my rompers and jumpsuits and things like that. On the top, you will see that I have a couple of these storage boxes I got from IKEA that have different things inside. And then I have my big purses on top of those storage boxes. Over on the right side of the top of the shelf is a box full of pictures, some old magazines, and then one of those hat boxes full of old clothes that I keep that are like pretty much, you know, treasured pieces, and some of my tiny purses. Oh, also over here I have this little, I don't know, adventure hat, my wild thornberry hat. Other side is this little like bonnet thingy or whatever these are called, which was my baby sister's, and I loved it and I've always kept it. Okay, so jumping into the main part of the closet, is on our left side I have all of like my blouses and shirts, and then on the right side I have all of my skirts and trousers, and in the middle I have my casual dresses and as well as a little short section. So on this farther side, you'll see that I have a bunch of jackets and coats and sweaters and cardigans and things like that that go on top of your clothing. My shirts are kind of separated into like casually blouses over here, and then like my nicer blouses for like church or, you know, going out to dinner. And then over here we have our button downs. Okay, and so yeah, so then these are the short section. I have different kinds. Then for the skirts, again I have my casual skirts, and then like my church skirts, and then like work and stuff like that clothes. New girl skirt. I'll never get rid of the skirt. I'm obsessed with pleats. More pleats. This is my newest one. This one is from J. Crew, and I still haven't taken this off. And then all the way in the back I have my trousers and like my pants. So I have these hung up just like this, and these are like my flower ones. That's pretty much the closet. Over here on the bottom side I have my shoes. We have my sneakers. My favorite shoes in my collection are these. They are so cute. They're very dusty. I've only worn them like once, but I love them. And then on this other side, I keep, my backpack, my laptop case, my purse. Underneath that is a chest or drawers, whatever it's called. All my hair accessories are in there. This one has like my tube socks for the winter. This one has scarves. This one has belts. And then in the other one is tank tops, and then the bottom one is PJs. On the back corner, I have my sandals and a little bit of like storage or whatever. Over here on the top corner, I have more storage, and like my quinceañera stuff is back over there. Okay, so you guys had already seen this, except it's a little bit different. My sister gave me this new clothing rack, and there's a couple of new items that I'm gonna show you really quickly. This is one of my favorite dresses. It is from H&M, and I absolutely love it. One of my other favorite dresses is this one, also from H&M. It is so cute, and it is so fresh fire. One of my favorite pieces is this skirt, also from H&M. I absolutely love it, and it is so pretty. And this is the dress I wore to my sister's quinceañera. And then over here, I have my new suit that I showed you guys the other day in my haul. If you haven't seen it, make sure to check it out. Some sandals, some heels, my sneakers, and a couple of storage boxes. All right, let's go back. So that was my closet. I hope you guys enjoyed taking a peek inside of it. I know I enjoy these types of videos, so I thought it was about time that I shared my closet. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys again really soon on my next video. Bye guys.